The Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics will be held in February next year. Former Winter Olympic gold medalist, Manuela Di Centa from Italy, said the most important thing about the Beijing Winter Olympics is that the athletes will be able to compete while staying safe.
This is the goal, to give the chance to the athletes to be there, to compete, and to give their best, and if it's possible, to catch the medals, of course. Same for Beijing. Important is to create a safe environment to give the possibility to the athletes to compete. This is, from my point of view as an athlete, is the top. I think also from the IOC is the goal.
Meanwhile, an official of the Association of Sport Performance Centers in Spain said he is confident that Beijing will see a high level of competition, despite any health restrictions in place.
We did not stop. So I think all over the world, the training centers are running, and they are training athletes. So they're keeping the measures, they're protecting the athletes while they are training.